Okay, listen, this financial type AI niche is going viral right now. I've analyzed these types of channels and found out they get monetized within weeks of starting. It's also one of the easiest niches for anyone trying to launch a successful faceless YouTube channel. These channels make videos about the rich people lifestyle. What if you become a billionaire at 35? Untold financial stories and more. The videos are getting consistent views, with some reaching almost 1 million views on a channel with only 17,000 subscribers. Another channel is doing the same thing and getting massive engagement on just a few videos. That is insane. And if you follow every step carefully, you can produce similar results. In fact, the video you're seeing on your screen right now was created in just 10 minutes. First, watch this.
You are 22. You are standing in a different lobby, a budget hotel near the highway. The carpets are that particular shade of beige that has never been clean. You walk to the front desk. The man behind the counter does not look up. He is typing something. You stand there for a moment. You clear your throat. He holds up one finger, like you are a minor inconvenience in his evening. You wait. You are making $28,000 a year. You share a 2-bedroom apartment with a roommate you found on the internet. You drive a 2009 Honda Civic that needs new brake pads. You eat lunch at your desk most days, not because you are disciplined, but because lunch out costs $14 and $14 still means something to you. Nobody is rude to you. They are something worse. They are indifferent.
And you'll see how easy the process actually is. So make sure you watch until the end and don't skip any steps because each part of the process matters. And before we start, don't forget to like the video. Now, let's get started. To create this type of video, the first thing you need is a prompt. I'll provide the prompt link in the description. In the document, you'll find 4 prompts. The first is the idea generator, the second is the script generator, the third is the image and video generator, the fourth is the thumbnail generator. First, copy the video topic prompt from the document. After copying it, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit generate. ChatGPT will give you several financial type topics. Choose anyone. I'm going to pick idea number 2. Next, come back to the prompt document and copy the scripting prompt. For scripting, we'll use Claude because it generates better scripts than ChatGPT. Paste the scripting prompt into Claude. When it asks for the video topic, paste the topic ChatGPT gave you. It will generate a full 8-minute long script complete with hooks, dramatic storytelling, and citations. So now copy it. Come back to Google Docs, paste it here, remove the unwanted things from the script like hooks, tags, timeline, and after that copy it. Now go to Grok, paste the script, and say, add punctuation. Grok will give you a fully punctuated script that sounds like a natural human voice, not robotic. Copy that script and paste it into 11 Labs. Make sure to choose a young American male voice. After you generate your voiceover, it's time to create the images and videos. Go back to the third prompt, the image and video prompt. Copy it, then go to ChatGPT and paste it. Now paste your full script into the script box and click generate. ChatGPT will give you 5 cinematic image prompts in a 2D cartoon style. To generate the images, we'll use Google Flow. Even with a free account, you can generate around 50 to 60 images, which is more than enough. Click New Project. If you're using the free version, select Nano Banana 2, not Pro. You'll see a message saying generating will use 0 credits. Select the YouTube aspect ratio, 16:9. Choose how many images you want per prompt. I recommend 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and run it. Repeat for all the prompts. Once the images are generated, select the ones you like and download them in 2K quality. After that, go back to ChatGPT, type next, and it will generate the next set of 5 image prompts. Keep repeating this process until you have images for the entire script. Once all your images are ready, save them. Now, the final and most important part is creating the thumbnail, because your thumbnail decides whether the video goes viral or not. Copy the thumbnail prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. You'll see 2 blank boxes, one for the video topic and one for the script. Now come back to Google Docs. Copy the video topic and the script and paste both into those boxes. Then hit generate. ChatGPT will give you 5 thumbnail ideas along with explanations for why they'll go viral. Pick the one you like best. Copy the image prompt and go back to Google Flow. Create a new project. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Select 2 outputs per prompt and generate. Choose the thumbnail you like best and download it. And that's it. Your video is now ready to go viral on YouTube. Now, paste your voiceover and images into CapCut and match them. At the end, add this real line effect which makes the video look good and smooth. And now your video is ready. Once everything looks good, hit export. And just like that, your final video is ready. Before I forget, if you want access to the exact prompts I used, check the description box. Now here's the final result.
You are 22. You are standing in a different lobby, a budget hotel near the highway. The carpets are that particular shade of beige that has never been cleaned. You walk to the front desk. The man behind the counter does not look up. He is typing something. You stand there for a moment. You clear your throat. He holds up one finger, like you are a minor inconvenience in his evening. You wait. You are making $28,000 a year. You share a 2-bedroom apartment with a roommate you found on the internet. You drive a 2009 Honda Civic that needs new brake pads. You eat lunch at your desk most days, not because you are disciplined, but because lunch out costs $14, and $14 still means something to you. Nobody is rude to you. They are something worse. They are indifferent.